Maria Nila Eco Therapy Revive is our first organic line that is based on ingredients that has been approved and certified by ECOCERT. This series of shampoo, conditioner and mask will give new life to your hair thanks to its cleansing and restoring components. The series is made out of 98% natural ingredients. The 3-step regimen with its unique micellar technology and botanical proteins from kale, carrot and lemon will leave your hair feeling revived. The botanical proteins together will increase moisture by binding and preserving water. As dry and frizzy hair lacks water, this unique composition will give the hair a smooth and moisturized result. Always start this 3-step regimen by using the shampoo. The Eco Therapy Revive shampoo is a moisturizing detox shampoo, which is effective yet gentle with its micellar technique that easily removes impurities and residual product buildup without disrupting the natural balance of the hair. It's formulated with micellar molecules, which have the ability to effectively capsule oil, grease and residual styling products into the molecule. The capsule dirt then can be easily rinsed out with water thanks to the micell's dual solubility. The shampoo has a pH of 5.5 to 6. After the shampoo, then move on with the mask, add it to towel dry hair and leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes. This is a deep treatment mask that hydrates and moisturizes the hair and scalp, which you need after a detoxing shampoo. The botanical proteins and aloe vera extract have a repairing effect and will reduce frizz and dryness, leaving the hair with a silky soft result. The mask has a pH of 3.5 to 4. And the routine with the Eco Therapy Revive conditioner to close the cuticle. A closed cuticle will give you more shine, non-tangled hair straws and a healthier look. Eco Therapy Revive conditioner has a pH of 3.3 to 3.8. It's a lower pH than the rest of Maria Nila conditioners, which makes it easier to close the cuticle. If you have the possibility, leave the conditioner in for a minute before rinsing. Beside the botanical proteins, Eco Therapy Revive is also formulated with linseed extract and aloe vera extract. The linseed extract can capsule free radicals and is therefore a great ingredient to keep the color fresh and vibrant. Aloe vera has a repairing effect and will reduce frizz and dryness, leaving the hair with a silky soft result. For healthy and balanced hair, use our full series of Eco Therapy Revive as part of a 3-step regimen. The series can be used by anyone in need of a detox and moisturizing effect. Eco Therapy Revive is perfect for someone that uses a lot of styling products on a daily basis, or is exposed to a lot of residues from an urban environment, or for someone just in need for a detoxed scalp and lengths.